beautiful devs, welcome back. This is the last section of our course, and this is a bonus section, and I will just overview the whole process in this section, and but in the first video I will show you that we are using Namecheap hosting, and Namecheap hosting I am always satisfied with the Namecheap hosting, and my other websites are also on this hosting. I'm very much satisfied with this hosting, and the best thing which I found here for the hosting is that you will have the help center where the knowledgeable is there, and also you can actually how to videos, you can browse how to videos, blog, guru guides, and also the status updates, etc. Also the Namecheap has the live support, and at any time you can actually chat with them directly. You can see here pop up, and you can just type and they will start helping you right away. And this is very important for any hosting. In GoDaddy usually their support is also good, but not this much. This always live 24 hours they are live, and every time whenever you will ask the question or any query, they will answer your query. Even they will help you in practically technical things as well. So knowledge base is a very nice section of the Namecheap hosting, where you will find out everything related to your journey. You can see fast VPN, my account, related to affiliate and apps, what are the apps, EasyW, how to videos are there, domain wallet, general and sport questions. If you will click, you will find out a lot of questions people are asking, and they are actually displayed here in a right manner. So the sport is very nice. I like that. So this is a very useful thing that you should be updated with the featured articles, like you can see deep fake dangers, and transfer your Google domains to Namecheap today. Like lot of technical things are there, and you can actually improve your skills related to your website and other things. Here you can see 9 steps to boost WordPress site security. Great. So if you will open this article, not specific to only Namecheap, but it is specific to WordPress. So you can see that they have a very important articles. 9 steps to check your website security, choose strong passwords, potential against brute force attacks, install SSL certificate, regularly scan the malware. Okay, don't ignore updates, are important. Protect your website database, create local and remote backups, which we already have discussed. Get real-time monitoring, block IP addresses, simplify your website security. So you can see that this knowledge base has, the Namecheap blog has a very important articles, and you can be benefited with that. And you can see guru guides is also there. So here these guru guides are actually for the businesses and technical peoples as well. You can see they have the courses, they have the master classes, they have the guides, specific guides that more customers or clients start or manage a business. Lot of things are there. So this is a useful actually platform. So if you purchase the Namecheap hosting, and definitely you can actually get benefit of all of these things. That's it for this video. Next video we will take an overview of our complete course journey, and that's it.